For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Compound is an impending task that permits clients to get to a liquidity pool and stake digital forms of money while likewise getting rewards. In that capacity, especially many are looking to explicitly put resources into its token, Compound, COMP. This is the motivation behind why we need to impart to you our Compound, COMP, cost expectations for the years 2022 to 2030, which is very huge. Over the previous week, the cost of Compound, COMP, stayed around $58. The course supply explicitly is 7.19 million in an unpretentious manner. The market cap especially went up to $425 million. Compound, COMP, price prediction 2022 to 2030. Compound's future cost is challenging to foresee as it is dependent on various variables, including the presentation of the Compound organization, worldwide monetary circumstances, the financial exchange, and the cost of in every way that really matters, other digital currencies. Notwithstanding, if Compound keeps on developing as an organization and application at its ongoing rate, it in a real sense is conceivable that the cost assessment for Comp could undoubtedly basically return to its by and large past, certainly prime, and likely even for the most part outperform it. Remember that these are predominantly theories, albeit upheld by realities and other to some degree strong elements in an unobtrusive manner. So, we should make a beeline for the intriguing part with regards to a major way. 2022, Compound, COMP, price prediction. A portion of the monetary business top names have truly loaned their way to Compound's value pro Compound. The quantity of coordinated efforts and occasions with the digital currency area shows that especially many individuals are sure about cryptographic forms of money and by and large broad. As per that and to Compound's exhibition over the by and large past year, it might explicitly accomplish a gigantic lift by the current year's end and especially go over the price tag of $100 in an unobtrusive manner. All the more exactly, we anticipate that the cost of Comp should move somewhere in the range of $99.52 and $102.94 in a by and large huge manner. 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. Numerous experts especially have made Compound cost expectations for 2023, and the overall agreement fundamentally is that the cost of Compound will for the most part keep on rising, which basically is very huge. This depends on various elements, including the rising utilization of Compound blockchain, the developing ubiquity of crypto, and the especially in general genuinely uplifting perspective for the worldwide economy in a significant manner. While it sort of is difficult to basically say precisely exact thing the cost of Compound will essentially be in 2023, most specialists concur that it really has the fundamentally potential to arrive at new levels and in every practical sense, significant way. All the more everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of Compound should reach $108.91 $112.35 toward the finish of 2023. 2024. Assuming that the development of Compound proceeds, we can without much of a stretch see it getting monstrous reception. Our cost expectation for 2024 is all around as moderate as entirely conceivable to not mislead you. We really accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Compound will reach somewhere around $119.91. In the event that we sort of allowed ourselves in a real sense to be a piece certainly more speculative, we'd really raise it to $136.59. 2025, Compound, COMP, price prediction in a significant manner. As per truly many Compound fans and their cost expectations, Comp costs might rise emphatically in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $151.21 and $162.51 in an unpretentious manner. In any case, the most reasonable assumption is for a midpoint of these cost levels. With inescapable reception, Comp cost forecast as a modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the Compound organization can essentially grow and create. All things considered, Costs might try and go as high as $176.65, however that in every practical sense, is very aggressive in a quite enormous way. 2026. Keeping our moderate methodology, we will not in every way that really matters, attempt to make ludicrous cost expectations for compound. Albeit many accept that by 2026 the cost of comp will be no less than $189.59, we'd really give an alternate worth. 2026 is really not excessively far away, however as far as crypto, it is. We accept that compound will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $186.93 and $193.05 in a significant manner. 2027. As the years certainly go by and compound proceeds with its extension and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly truly consider it filling in the assessment to be well in an unpretentious manner. We imply that comp will for the most part be assessed at around $198.09, $201.59, or so they thought. We in every practical sense, figure the lower range of our value expectation will be more precise than the higher. However, obviously, the crypto market is very eccentric, so we should stand by and large see. 2028, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 2028, on the off chance that compound emerges with new tasks and encounters further reception, we can see it possibly arriving at a cost of $210, $228 in an unpretentious manner. Ideally, the task will explicitly proceed to truly create and draw in much more crypto clients. In any case, it is really conceivable that it will lose the greater part of its worth by 2028, which is genuinely critical. 2029. For the last year of the 10 years, we generally accept that digital currencies will have gotten comfortable generally, or so they basically thought. We imply that tokens will be nothing strange any longer. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so forth. In that capacity, we think compound will be moving from around $235 to $248 effectively, in spite of the fact that we can likewise see it coming to the $250 mark. 2030, compound, COMP, price prediction, which is very critical. Crypto cost forecasts for the most part are generally troublesome, as the digital money market is profoundly unpredictable. Considerably more so when we are discussing 8 years into the future, or so they thought. A few specialists have gauged that compound's cost could reach up to $262 by 2030. This would be a huge increment from its essentially current cost of around $48.81. However, it certainly is critical to for the most part